What is going on, everyone? My name is Josh, and today we got another unboxing video. We are in the garage again. It is the same day I recorded the Yeezy Quantum one. If you're wondering why I got the same shirt, or you're probably not, it doesn't even matter. But today we got the Nike Jordan 1 size 10 Zooms. Now, I have never personally owned a pair of Jordans. I'm sure I have as a kid, from family members buying them and stuff, but in my, I guess you could say, adult age or teenage years, I have never owned one. So I bought these at a sneaker event when I was in Green Bay. Go peep that vlog down below if you want to go watch it. Go crazy. Bought them there just for the resale. Now, if they don't end up reselling in probably 2 weeks, I might just keep them, but I definitely need the money, so I would much rather resell. But we're gonna get right into the unboxing. So right when you open it up, it's just standard Nike packaging, and it definitely smells like fresh shoe. And if you know what that smells like, you know that's one of the greatest smells if you are a sneakerhead, because there's nothing better than a fresh shoe smell. Other than I would say a new car / clean car and a new game or CD or something, when you open it and it has that fresh smell. You know what I'm talking about. Yeah, you do. But we got these, so we're gonna get a little close up to it. All right, and I want to say resale for these right now, if you were to go and purchase it with shipping and everything, it's about $375 on GOAT for this size 10. I was trying to just resell it for a quick flip because I got a bundle deal on it. I got these and then a pair of Jordan 6s that I sold at the event just to get rid of. I mainly only bought the bundle deal because I was getting these for a little cheaper than resale. So I really do enjoy these shoes, and I would not be complaining if I had to keep these, but I would prefer to just get the money for it. But these shoes, especially the under, these are just great. They look just like the Dior shoes, which is what makes them popular. Obviously DS all haven't even worn. It comes with the extra laces, or maybe those just are the laces. No, they are extra laces. Now that's pretty cool. And obviously this is reflective right here, this Air Jordan logo. Like I said, I think these are pretty sick. Now I would definitely get these dirty, and I would have to have a very specific outfit to wear with them. It'd have to have a blue accent to it almost, or if I put these laces on, an orangish red accent. But again, I'm not complaining. These are a great shoe to have, and I think over time they will go up in value. And as I've noticed, a lot of shoes that I've had, such as the Nike Stussies, the Yeezy Slides and all that, have all shot up in value after I sold them. I think I sold a pair of Yeezy Slides for about $75 just to a friend, and now they go for about $350. So that is sad, and that's life. But these are pretty sick. I think they're gonna go up in value. Let me know what you guys think down below. Overall, I think Air Jordan 1s are always fire. Almost every Air Jordan is fire, and you cannot lie. Just the detail and everything that goes into all these is great. I like that blue, and then you got the blue accent on the outside. Great, as always. Yo, get out of here. Anyway guys, if you have enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, subscribe if you have not already for more unboxing videos. And you'll know if I end up keeping these. You'll see them in a vlog or something. But I'm just trying to get some money for it, you know? Gotta resell sometimes. Can't keep every shoe. Anyway guys, if you've enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.